video, I am going to demonstrate about folder mapping rules. Before we start with folder mapping rules, we have to create mapping of folder. So currently in Odoo, I go to documents, document directory. I create a new directory of calendar. I visit this directory. Now go to OneDrive, mapping folder, create record of mapping folder. Configuration OneDrive, document directory folder which we created, the name of mapping. As you can see, this folder is created in OneDrive also. So let's check it out. You can see calendar folder is created in here. Now we can also do mapping folder. So I want to create folder rules for calendar. So go to one folder rule. Then select folder name. Select the OneDrive configuration. Apply to calendar. In OneDrive new folder, you can go to this OneDrive folder ID Softhealer, which we made recently, and paste it over here. Now our rule is set. If it works, calendar is new folder is correctly. I'm going to update this calendar. Now in calendar, I want to upload two files. Go to OneDrive, configuration, click Q. You can see the configuration you are created. As we configure rule that in calendar, when I upload any document, it will map automatically to the calendar folder. You can also check it out from here. In calendar, we have calendar number. Inside this, we uploaded two files. Now, currently, in OneDrive, it is empty. Now run this Chrome, Odoo to OneDrive. As you can see, inside the calendar number, we have uploaded two files. Let's do it again with another number. We uploaded one file over here in calendar 21. Now go to OneDrive, configuration, and queue. One queue is created. We run this Chrome. You can see in OneDrive, one folder is created with calendar number 26. Inside this, we will upload a file which we uploaded in Odoo.